Good chat. Long time no see. Anyway, man, got an update for y'all. My update of my 2024 shoe collection. As y'all seen the video, go ahead and check that out. You know what I'm saying? But we'll get straight into it. Alright. Make sure the like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell on, be notified. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. You feel me? Let's get into the video. The first shoe we got, actually, I found this jump. Like, I found this shoe at my school, and when I found it, I'm like, yo, what? I'm trying to see. I don't know if these are called, but it's these fours. You know what I'm saying? If y'all know what these are called, let me know. I'm a sneakerhead, but I'm not that big of a sneaker. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? It's these. You know what I'm saying? These joints tough though. I ain't gonna hold it. Only got one. I gotta find the other one. But that one. And then these my beats. I don't know what those are. Alright, so this is not the original box. These shoes was a gift. This is not the original box. Shout out to my aunt again for giving me these shoes. I love you. These are the Air Jordan 6 rings, cool, great, retro. Yeah. And then for the next box, we have these. I actually bought myself. Alright. These are white Air Forces, but I don't know if y'all can see for real. These are cream white Air Forces, custom made by me. So basically what I did was I bought some white Air Forces. When I bought some Air Forces, I then got some cream white paint and I hydro did them in cream white paint, you know what I'm saying? Let them dry and stuff like that. And this is how they came out, you know what I'm saying? These shoes are on my Instagram. I wouldn't fit with them, you know what I'm saying? So go check my Instagram out at mostlist_Zai and go check my TikTok out at Zai2Elite because I'm too elite, you know what I'm saying? But these are the Air Forces. Beat up Nike box. And then we got two more. So this shoe is the Pumas. These are the Puma White, Puma Royal, Puma Plank, Puma Royal, RSX toys. Adults, US 9, UK 8, and like that. So as you see, I actually got these for $102. Crazy, $102. I got these for $102. That is a steal because one shoe on basically what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? You see the red, the black, the white. There's no laces in here because the seller, he didn't give me the laces. The laces were sold separately, and I didn't feel like paying extra for laces because that's just stupid. So I got some extra laces I'm gonna put on these. I'm thinking about putting red and then white, or like black and white, or like black and red, or just red. Honestly, those kind of laces, but yeah, those are the Pumas. And then last but not least, we have the New Balances. So I never had New Balances in my life. Like, I had Pumas before, but I never had New Balances in my life, and I really wanted some. So these are my first New Balances. This came from a different seller. He sold this to me. There's a price on the box. No, the price is not on the box. I forgot. It was around one something, but anyway, we have, you know what I'm saying, they're a little dirty. I ain't even gonna hold it. They're a little dirty. I gotta clean them, chat. Like I said, these ain't got no laces. These ain't come with laces at all. So yeah, so they're a little dirty, chat. So these are New Balances. These are the New Balances 550. Yeah, the BBW 550 liter. So the New Balance 550s. Yeah, white and gray colorway. That's basically the update for my 2024 shoe collection. I'm going to get me some more shoes, some new shoes. I really want the Cherry 11s, and then I also want the cool gray 11s, and then I actually want the OG ones, and then I want some Dunks. I want some Balenciagas. My Balenciagas is on the way, so I can't wait to get those. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. I will see y'all next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn the bell on to be notified. And I'm back posting, you know what I'm saying? Pranks, monkey videos, Amigo videos, all that is on the way. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, hope y'all have a nice day. See y'all later. Peace out.
My head and say a prayer.